Okay, we're looking good. We're back with Busy Bee. About to make our first incision. Busy Bee, are you ready, man? You excited to get rid of this?
Sure am.
Who sent you here? Your mama sent you?
My wife.
Okay.
You sound like a game show host.
Me or him?
You.
I do believe that's going to turn out just fine. Put a little pressure on it for a second. And she's going to put that dressing on. And we'll see you back to take those out in about a week. You feel better now?
Yeah, I can breathe.
We appreciate you letting us video your procedure. You were awfully brave.
No problem.
Sorry you almost passed out, but you know. He was brave. Hey, thanks, bud.
Yeah.
See you in a week.
Thank you.